guys, what's up? It's Nadine Hannah and welcome back to my another video. तो आज के वीडियो में थोड़ा सा फ्यूचर के बारे में बात करूँगी, like what is my future plans and why did I choose commerce stream and what are the reasons and what are the benefits, and I guess it will be useful for those people also who take commerce. So जल्दी से वीडियो को like कर देना, okay? Yeah, thank you. So first thing and foremost, when I was in class 10th or maybe around 8th class से ही I was fixed that I wanted to take BPC, that is biology, physics and chemistry in my 11th class. मुझे science stream ही लेना था and I was sure कि अगर मैं science लूँगी तो I would not continue in school. I would either go to a college because I thought कि मेरे school में science stream is not preferable. It's not nice. I have heard also from many teachers कि यहाँ कंटिन्यू मत करना, 10th तक यहाँ ठीक है. तो I wanted to take BPC and become a doctor, that is dermatologist, that is skin care and hair care specialist. मेरा बहुत सपना था. लेकिन in 10th and 9th when corona hit, कोरोना लॉकडाउन पैंडमिक पीरियड हुआ था, मेरा स्टडीज का पूरा असर ही उल्टा हो गया. आई वॉज फॉलिंग डाउन इन स्टडीज. आई वॉज नॉट गुड दैट टाइम. एंड वन मोर थिंग इज नो वन वॉज सेटिस्फाइड विद आवर साइंस टीचर. वो पता नहीं क्या था, उसको ही कुछ नहीं आता था कि क्या पढ़ाती थी, उसको ही नहीं माना. आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दैट राइट नाउ. सो इट वॉज नॉट सक्सेसफुल फॉर मी टू जम्प इन टू साइंस स्ट्रीम. मुझे याद भी नहीं है मेरे को कितने परसेंटेज आए साइंस में 10th में, बट आई वॉन्टेड टू टेक. आई कुड टेक, but when I entered 10th, mid में I started liking creating content, video वगैरह बनाना. तो I thought I want to owe something, so I wanted to go towards like the business field or finance field where the commerce was something good. So 1 year, like as soon as I entered 10th, मेरे को था कि ठीक है मैं commerce ले दूँगी. commerce के साथ I was good in computers, so I took IP. IP is information practices, all about Python coding, and you'll have all the coding languages. So I went with that. Or I think it was a good kickstart for me taking commerce. I faced no issue. There were certain things which I faced, but I think overall, if you are going to choose commerce, it's a very good option. Commerce is all about finance, bookkeeping, and business, entrepreneurship, development, and you'll have a lot of things to learn. This is something combined of all subjects. Like it's a mix of all streams also, I can tell, because you will be overall developer, all rounder. If you are choosing commerce stream, you will have financial knowledge, business knowledge, economical status, financial crisis. You will come to know everything, and 11th and 12th is your foundation of your degree. So 11th or 12th में अगर you have a good scope in commerce, your degree will be really smooth, that you can continue reading more and you'll come to know better. And you have highly job opportunities after commerce if you're forsaking good in your 11th and 12th, no matter what syllabus it is. So in commerce, basically we learn about business studies, accountancy, economics, English, IP. You'll have optional subject to choose. So I chose IP as my next subject as optional, and then my priormost optional subject was physical education. So I did not regret taking commerce क्योंकि मैंने commerce लिया because even my half of the family belong from commerce background. That's like the genetics matter कि जो लिया उसका आगे भी वही लेंगे. So I went through commerce, but my mom was from science stream. So that made me think BPC or commerce, but I do not regret taking commerce. It was a really good decision which made me take. तो मैं commerce लिया. It was everything was fine. 11th class went on good. And then in 12th, I make sure I was serious. I went through all the concepts, everything. One favorite thing what made me interesting was business studies. I don't know, आप ये जो वीडियो देख रहे हैं बोलेंगे दीदी business studies तो हो रहा ही नहीं है, आपको कैसे easy लगा? It's not about easy, मुझे interesting लगा. Like मुझे था कि I wanted to start my own business. उसका base subject था business studies था. It's not like this is the only base subject you're gonna study, but I wanted to start up something. So basically जो हमें knowledge चाहिए यहाँ से ही start होता है. So we had marketing chapter, these all chapters we studied, that made me interesting. So basically मेरा जो plan अभी के लिए है, I wanted to start up something like either my own brand. अब तो मेरे अंदर ये चल रहा है कि I want to just see my name on my brand. Like I want to either go towards the cosmetics branding or clothing branding. I just think right now. एंड यूट्यूब इज़ माई बैकअप ऑप्शन कि मुझे यूट्यूब में वीडियोज़ वगैरह बनाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. दिस इज़ लाइक माई प्रायर मोस्ट पैशन. तो आई फॉलो इट बाय मेकिंग वीडियोज़ एंड एवरीथिंग. तो मुझे ये सारी चीज़ें करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है तो मैं यूट्यूब में हूँ एंड बेसिकली आई लाइक शेयरिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट माइट बी यूजफुल फॉर यू ऑल्सो. सो कॉमर्स मैंने सब सोच समझ के लिया एंड परसेंटेज क्राइटेरिया बात किए तो दे टेल कि यू हैव टू एटलीस्ट हैव 60% टू टेक कॉमर्स. वैसे देन आई गॉट इट. फॉर साइंस स्ट्रीम आई गेस इट इज 80 or 70. लाइक फॉर कॉमर्स एंड आर्ट इट इज 60-60. So you can choose commerce stream, you'll have a variety of options. So this is why it made me choose commerce, because I wanted to start up my own business like my father. My father is in the HRM side, like the human resource management. So he's doing with the human resource management and I thought I could at least be favorable to him, or I can start up my own whatever I want to start. So that was towards my school life and I excelled my 12th class with 80% in CBSE commerce stream. And for my future I have applied in colleges, few colleges I have applied. I am persuading, I want to persuade in BBA. I have applied for BBA general, so I'm looking for BBA, that is Bachelor's of Business Administration. That is a special course. ये जो है प्रोफेशनल कोर्स है इसको बोलते हैं एंड रेस्ट ऑफ कोर्सेज आर नॉर्मल. इट्स नॉट दैट प्रोफेशनल है तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, ऐसा वैसा नहीं. ऑल कोर्सेज आर गुड इन देयर ओन वे बट आई चोज टू गो विद BBA. All about business and management I wanted to go, so I thought I'll do BBA. And BBA के साथ I thought I will do my MBA as mentioned in my Q&A video also. मैंने वही बोला and I'm stuck to this plan only. BBA के साथ I will do my MBA करके मैंने सोचा, or else I thought कि BBA तक I will study and make sure at least I'll have a part-time job and I'll look for some placements, I thought. So ये सब अभी चल रहा है and now I'm currently in my vacation applying for colleges and preparing for my entrance exams. And साथ साथ में YouTube वगैरह सब follow करना is honestly difficult but I'm doing it because I like it and आप सब support करना please. So that was my exact future out scheme. So अगर आप भी चाहते हो कि आपको कॉमर्स लेना है so there is nothing regret यार, you can do. And after that you have various degree options yaar. Like usually what happens is whoever chooses science and arts also, अगर उनसे कुछ हो नहीं पा रहा है like entrance हो या if they are taking drop or anything, they end up coming and taking commerce degree like BCom, BBA and then we have BA. So they come up taking this. These are your first semester, second semester will be your basics of 11th and 12th. Later on it's gonna develop. So I would highly suggest you can take commerce stream and I think you would not regret. But if you feel that it's not okay, make sure you go for a counseling for commerce stream, or you can talk to your teachers who belong from commerce stream. You can have a word with them to know कि ये stream कैसा है, क्या क्या है. They will guide you. They won't be like they'll pull you towards this stream or something. They'll just give you the perfect solution कि तुम्हें क्या चाहिए और तुम्हें ये स्ट्रीम से क्या मिलेगा, ये सब यू विल कम टू नो. सो इट इज लाइक दैट. सो दैट इज व्हाट इज माय कॉमर्स जर्नी ऑल अबाउट. एंड आप कौन से स्ट्रीम से, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, यू कैन शेयर विद मी इन योर कमेंट सेक्शन एंड मीट यू ऑल इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. आज के लिए इतना ही, ये छोटा सा आउट स्कीम. सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक करना. अभी मैं बैठ के इतने मुश्किल से वीडियो बना रही हूँ. सो लाइक दिस वीडियो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. मीट यू ऑल इन माई नेक्स्ट वन. बाय बाय. स्टे ट्यून फॉर माई नेक्स्ट वीडियोज. बाय.